On the earth, you can find living organisms everywhere. They can live on the high mountains and inside the deep oceans too. Not only the humans, but all the other animals, insects, reptiles, and even microorganisms come in the category of living organisms. These minute organisms can be found in the body of animals, even in human beings. Living organisms live in different places and change themselves according to that climate, which is known as adaptation, to mold yourself according to the conditions. All living organisms have their particular environment, and they get adapted according to that environment. Our environment is made up of both living and non-living components. All organisms need food, air, water, and soil from their surroundings to survive. These components are the essential parts of our surroundings, and we cannot live without these. Everything that surrounds the living things and also affects their growth and development is called environment.